If you want to remove a hickey immediately, your best option is to hide it. Try wearing a turtleneck, collared shirt, or a cute scarf around your neck for a few days until the hickey fades on its own. You can also try covering up a fresh hickey with green concealer. Use a makeup sponge to blend the concealer into your skin seamlessly. If the hickey has faded to a yellow or greenish color, cover it up with a pink or peach concealer instead. Applying an ice pack to a new hickey can constrict blood vessels and may make the mark less noticeable. Wrap the ice pack in a clean cloth and place it on the affected area for 20 minutes. You can ice the hickey several times a day, as long as you wait 1 to 2 hours in between applications. If you've had the hickey for at least 2 days and it's still really swollen, try applying a warm compress to increase blood flow and promote healing. Place a heating pad or cloth soaked in warm water over the affected area for 20 minutes. You can repeat this several times a day, as long as you give your skin a chance to return to the normal temperature after each application. Eating foods high in vitamin C and vitamin K may also speed up healing. Examples of food high in vitamin K are kale, spinach, broccoli, liver, and eggs. Good sources of vitamin C are strawberries, raspberries, blueberries, sweet potatoes, and red peppers. How long your hickey lasts depends on how dark the bruise is, but most hickeys fade completely within 10 to 14 days.